Right now, you shouldn't think about getting rich with Shiba Inus. It seems like most of you are short on funds. The Shiba Inu price has just been the subject of a fresh, groundbreaking analysis. There is a detailed plan outlining the steps to reach the new record high. We really do not have enough time, as this proves. Absolutely no time to get ready. The Shiba Inu group has sent out a strong buy signal. Everyone is ready to reach new levels of success. Instantaneously, a tremendous tidal surge of joy sets in. Watching this video is crucial. We should therefore skip the fluff and get right to the meat of the matter. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coin. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news. This week is off to a great start. There has been a lot of confidence among investors because to the large price rises experienced by Shiba Inu. In a highly recognized tweet, a Shiba Inu team member highlighted this recovery. That what one does has an effect on oneself in the end was a central theme of her work. She emphasized the value of helping others and being selfless, arguing that doing the right thing would lead to good results. However, she warned that dishonesty would lead to consequences in the end. That gets under my skin. It appeared like Lucy's tweet went beyond just noting the Shiba Inu's comeback. As with life in general, the ups and downs of cryptocurrency represent a karmic cycle, and this should serve as a reminder to the community. She may be trying to say that things have turned around since the bad times, like the price drop in the beginning, thanks to the communities and staff's optimism and hard work. It implies that one's actions have both short-term and long-term effects on their success. The profoundness of the event is amplified by Lucy's philosophical tone of speaking. It argues that being patient and kind is crucial in life and investing. Helping others and making positive contributions will lead to rewards, either monetarily or by the satisfaction that comes from acting morally. When things get tough, this might be a good reminder to investors to keep their eyes on the big picture and have faith in the project. A Twitter user's remark, nevertheless, is the primary driver of the present panic. About 207 days ago, Bitcoin underwent its most recent halving. Several investors have taken notice of this information, which has reignited hopes of a strong surge. There was a lot of buzz in April about the impending Bitcoin halving. Many were hoping for a sudden spike in prices due to the occurrence. There was a lot of disappointment among investors because the market didn't jump but rather fell sharply. The excitement turned into annoyance very quickly, due to the fact that the anticipated quick advancements do not originate. The fact that the real bull market did not usually start right after the halving, though, was ignored by many. The process takes time. Market momentum usually starts to grow months after a halving. According to historical data, not immediately. The natural cycle inevitably includes this lag phase. Nevertheless, in the rush for quick results, it is sometimes overlooked. There has been an uptick in the market. The Bitcoin halving coincides with past tendencies, and many are starting to feel that the expected bull market might be here soon. Investors are experiencing a renewed sense of optimism due to this combination of factors. They feel like a major breakthrough is about to happen. They might be right. It is possible that the steep market decline witnessed at the start of November was nothing more than a bear trap. The fact that we have gotten over it gives us hope that we are about to enter a joyful period. Notably, Bitcoin whales are amassing assets at rates never seen before. You must understand that these large investors do not make decisions hastily. Significant stakes are theirs to give up. Big investments are usually reserved for when they know for sure there will be a return. It would appear that many of these whales' present buying habits support their beliefs. The fact that they are willing to take a chance at this critical juncture shows that they think the market is going to continue its upward trend. This behavior by the whales is a confirmation of the widespread optimism, showing that the most invested people think a market rally is just around the corner. A number of specialists are even coming up with catchy names for the upcoming months in the midst of all the excitement. As an example, Samson Mo just tweeted something that is both a pun and an illustration of how confident people are in the future of the market. Even jokes like this manage to spread a sense of confidence because of how deeply ingrained the optimism is. On the other hand, you could be wondering what the big deal is about Shiba Inus. In the midst of all this, interesting thoughts from well-known market expert Alan Santana were shared on TradingView. The current price of Shiba Inus, in his opinion, represents a significant bottom. This might be the last accumulation zone before a major increase in the next months. According to his research, the altcoin market is entering its final accumulation period of 2024, which means that investors have one more chance to buy at discounted prices before the next bull market in 2025. Quite a bit has changed. He claims that although costs are low right now, they won't be for much longer. Those who jump on the bandwagon early might be in a prime position to profit from the market's eventual increase if Santana's prediction pans out. He makes it sound like this is your final chance before the rates go up. For investors, this is a critical juncture. According to Santana, investors will have plenty of time to act during this accumulation phase, which will run for several months. He mentioned that his previous predictions, in which he predicted a final dip for major cryptocurrencies before a significant rebound, are in accordance with the current bearish trends. Santana discussed the importance of a buy-and-hold approach, different trading strategies, and the psychological elements that impact market volatility. His apparent certainty in the situation suggests that investors might be certain of a substantial bull market leading into 2025 if things play out as expected. The recent little increase in Shiba Inu's weight did not surprise Santana. Shiba Inu prices started falling in early October after experiencing a 3-month spike of more than 50% in late September. The current downturn, he predicts, will last for a few weeks. After that, there will be a comeback phase and sustained growth may continue into 2025. Santana places a premium on preparation. You can adjust your strategy without losing your composure if you are prepared for drops like this. He made the astute observation that investors are only unsettled by unanticipated price changes at the moment. Everything is unfolding according to plan. Those with experience in the market may see this as a chance to cash out at high prices and buy back at lower ones, while those just starting out have the option to hold on and ride out the inevitable cycle that will finish in the coming months. After breaking out of its present consolidation phase, Santana predicted that Shiba Inu may see a 400% spike, potentially re-entering the record high from 2021 by early 2025. Why the official Shiba Inu Twitter account asked the community what they would do when the breed reaches new heights and said, "When Shiba Inu attains a new peak, could be explained by this." Everything is starting to fall into place, and the squad is just as confident about what's to come. There is a lot of excitement building up in the community, and experts like Santana are predicting big things for Shiba Inu in the near future. This is an important factor to consider as well. Some investors can see life-altering rewards if the Shiba Inu price target is met. At the present time, owning 1.25 billion Shiba Inu might result in a future worth of $100,000, which is equivalent to about $22,000. It is possible for an investment of 6.25 billion coins, which is currently worth around $110,000, to increase in value to $500,000. Furthermore, there are individuals who have invested 12.5 billion Shiba Inu coins. They are worth more than $221,000 right now. That same holding, however, might increase to a staggering $1 million if Santana's predictions come true. It appears that November is about to show its real colors. How do you see that situation? Do not hesitate to post a comment. I would greatly appreciate hearing your point of view. Today has come to a close. Make sure to give it a strong recommendation. Feel free to peruse our latest content. Feel free to subscribe and share the content.